अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट, आई एम मोहम्मद आज़म मीर, टीचर यूपीएस बांडी। सो बच्चों, 8th क्लास की हम पोएम पढ़ रहे थे रिंकल्स, जिसको हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे, उसका रेफरेंस टू कंटेक्स्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो हम पढ़ते हैं, मदर माई मदर टेक courage in my hands today I am seeking under the skin of your wrinkles a girl who was suppressed, who celebrated Radhe festival with fondness, who went to the Tavi to immerse Radhe seedlings and bath during the Navratras, who played hopscotch and the game of pebbles. In the game of pebbles. So explain करेंगे इसको हम. The poet says he seeks too much from the wrinkles of his mother. She is the woman who one day was a little girl, who celebrated Radhe festival with fondness, who went to Tavi to immerse Radhe seedlings and bath during the Navratras, who played hopscotch in the game of pebbles. Now the 7th is, I will bring for you everything. Colors for Radhe, tinsel for your dupatta. Colorful pebbles from across the Tawi became that girl, mother just for a day. So explain करेंगे इसको. The poet says to his mother that he will bring everything for her. He will bring the colors of Radhe and tinsel for the patta, colorful pebbles from across the Tavi. The mother has to become that girl one for one day. The poet wants to see his mother, a girl, playing with all these things, but as we know, time once lost can never be regained. Now, some questions of in the last part of the poem, thinking about the poem. How many wrinkles does the poet find on the mother's face? On the mother's face. So इसका आंसर है, the poet became bold and counted the wrinkles of his mother's face. He found 4 wrinkles on the face of his mother. Now the second one is, what does the first wrinkle represent? First wrinkle किसको represent करती है? The first wrinkle represents the sacrifice of a mother when she is uprooted in the father's house and planted in the other's courtyard. The woman is burned at one place and dies at another. This is the fate of woman, but she remains quiet and cool about all her sacrifices. Now the third question is, what did the sound that the third wrinkles represent? Second and third wrinkle of the present represent. इसका आंसर है, the second wrinkle represented the sacrifice of a mother when she nourishes her child with her own blood inside her womb. She tolerates all the troubles with smile. The third wrinkle represents the sacrifice of a mother when she gives her breast to suck. She feeds his child with her blood. blood. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही, बाकी सवाल इंशाल्लाह कल करेंगे। वस्सलाम।